Okay, so we will come to a conclusion. This is the answer, isn't it? This is called good boy method. By good boy method, this is the answer. And you will get it wrong because we don't apply brain. Now, if you see the question was root of x plus 3 into x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 2. Fine. Okay. You need to check the domain also. Because the value of y exists when x exists. If x does not exist, y never exists. That's the story. So the domain of this function will be what? This should be positive. So x minus x plus 3 into x minus 1 should be greater than 0. So minus 3 and this is 1. So positive, negative, positive. Okay. So positive means it will be on the this side and this side. So x either should be greater than 1 or x should be less than minus 3. That also you need to take care. Why I am trying to say whether this value exists or not, that I should tell the value of y is coming, but for which value of x we need to check. If, understand my words, if any of the value, if for any value of x which lies between minus 3 and 1, I repeat, if for any value of x which lies between minus 3 and 1, if I get y is equal to 2 by root 3, then that particular, that will not come in range because this doesn't come in domain. I hope it's clear to everyone. So this is the domain. Now for which value of x this range comes or doesn't come, that we need to check. So how am I going to check? So what I'm going to do, this what called, I'll try to draw the graph also, but before that I need to check out for which value of x, I repeat, you get the maximum value or the extremum value, 2 by root 3 or minus 2 by root 3. Correct. So if you recall, we got y square is equal to this. So in place of y square, I'm going to substitute the value. Okay, in place of y square, so y is equal to plus minus 2 by root 3. So y square will be 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is equal to, okay, x square plus 2x minus 3 divided by x square plus 4x plus 4. I'll check out for which value of x, let's set this. So 4x square plus 16x plus 16 okay is equal to 20 x square plus 6x minus 9. If I bring everything this side, sorry, it would be 3x square plus 6x minus 9. So you'll get x square plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. So you get x plus 5 the whole square is equal. For understanding we are doing. If you have an intuition, there is nothing more than that. But for x is equal to minus 5, we could make out that we are getting the maximum and the minimum, maximum or minimum value, that plus or minus 2 root 3 we are getting. Coming back to the question again, if you see, our expression was this. Okay. Now for which value of x we got maximum or minimum? X is equal to -5. So if I put x is equal to -5 over there, what will it come? First of all, numerator is positive, denominator is negative. So only negative value will come. So this will come -2 and this will come how much? -6 divided by -5 plus 2 is -3. So I hope you got it. Oh, sorry, somewhere I wrote it wrong. This will be -6 and -2, correct only. So it should be 2 by √3. So yeah, you got 2√3 divided by, sorry, 2√3 divided by -3. So it will be -2. So what I'm trying to tell you, for x is equal to 5, only we are getting x is equal to -2 by √3. We are not getting the plus. So this is extra what we are getting. This somewhere extra, some range is getting. This is observation. This is what? Observation. This is given in the FITGI package. I repeat again. So now how to find out the range? This means this is not the total range. That is something which is not included in the range. Obviously 2 by √3 does not include in the range. So there are maybe some other values also. So I hope in calculus or in hyperbola you learn something called asymptote. You drew what is with the help of asymptote the graph. I'm just trying to draw with the help of asymptote the graph, and I'll try to explain you that what is the range of the function so that you get a picture of the problem. Right? So you got the full you can make a note of it, that how I got x is equal to -5. I quote again, for x is equal to -5, you got y is equal to -2 by √5, not plus 2 by √5. This means 2 by √5 is not coming. Maximum value cannot be 2 by √5 in this particular domain. So I'm moving to the next I'm moving this page. Right? So I'm going to write, if you see, y square is equal to x square, okay, plus 2x minus 3 whole divided by x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so that is, if I divide it, it is 1 here. Okay, will be x square plus 4x plus 4. So here it will come 2x. No, here minus will come minus 2x plus 7. Fine. So further, for convenience, I can write 2x plus 7 divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Okay. And drawing the graph, the function will intersect at -3 and 1. And this is not in domain. Domain is on the right hand side of 1 and on the left hand side of -3. Domain is on the right hand side of 1 and left hand side of -3. So here, if you see the right hand side of, okay, and the asymptote of this graph, the horizontal asymptote of this graph, if you remember, I'm talking about a word called asymptote. Okay. And the horizontal asymptote of this graph is what called 1. Y square is equal to 1. So either y is equal to 1 will come or y is equal to -1 will come. Okay, so I should write horizontal. Okay, the horizontal asymptote is y square is equal to 1, which implies y is equal to ±1. I should draw again. This is my x-axis. Okay, this is minus 3. Okay, no, this is minus 3. This is 1. Okay, okay. And I put minus 5 because at minus 5 you get the minimum value. Hope you recall it. Okay, and if you talk about it, this is the line. These are the horizontal asymptote. Y is equal to, okay, y is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. These are the two horizontal asymptote. Fine. Now, if you recall, I wrote, okay, y square is equal to this. Okay, so the denominator is positive, numerator is also positive, isn't it? On the right hand side of 1, on the right hand side of 1, always it is positive, this part, and so it will be always less than 1. Graph will go like this. It will never exceed 1. It will never come negative. You may feel that the numerator become greater than the denominator. It will not happen. Because as x increases greater than 1, the denominator will be father of the numerator. So the denominator will be higher than the numerator. So